Hey TTC family, it's Miss T here and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be learning on how to spell and write the word bed. So the word bed has 3 letters and those letters are B, E, D. And B, E, D spells the word bed. Now on the count of 3, I want you guys to spell the word bed with me. 1, 2, 3. B-E-D spells the word bed. Awesome job. So now we're going to move on and now write the word bed. So we're going to write the word bed a total of 4 times. The first 2 times we're going to write the word bed using capital B. And then the next 2 times we're going to write the word bed using lowercase b. So let's get started on writing the word bed using capital B. So the first letter in the word bed is B. After B, we have the letter E. And after E, we have the letter D. And B-E-D spells the word bed. Nice job. Let's go ahead and write the word bed one more time using capital B. So the first letter in bed is B, but remember we're using capital B. The second letter in the word bed is E. And then the third and final letter in the word bed is D. And B-E-D spells the word bed. Awesome job. So now let's go ahead and write the word bed 2 more times, but this time we are using lowercase letter b. So the first letter in bed is still B, but remember we're using lowercase b. After B, we have E. And after E, we have the letter D. And B-E-D spells the word bed. Awesome job. Let's go ahead and write the word bed one more time using lowercase letter b. So our first letter is B. After B, we have E. And then after E, we have D. And B-E-D spells the word bed. Awesome job, TTC family. TTC family, you guys did an amazing job learning how to spell and then also write the word bed using capital B, and then also learning how to write the word bed using lowercase b. So you guys did a phenomenal job. I want you guys to pat yourself on the back. Nice job. So now it's time to tell Miss T. So in the comments below, with an adult, I want you to tell Miss T what is your favorite bedtime story. So go ahead, let me know what your favorite bedtime story is. All right, TTC family, bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey TTC family, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time.